Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So as part of LeetCode 75 playlist, today we are looking into the next one, 1456, maximum number of vowels in a substring of given length. So this one is very close to previous one. So here we find average of the subarray, and here we need to find what are the number of vowels in a particular subarray, and let's say here is our given string and the k is equals to 3. That means the first subarray is this one, which is having 0 vowels. Next we will check the next character, which is I, and one more thing we will check is the one which is going to be deleted, a. So we will check these two indices if they are vowels or not. If they are vowels, for the one that we are removing, we will subtract, and when coming to the one where we are having uh, the vowels, so here we will add how many vowels we are having, like here I is vowel, right? So we are adding here, so we'll do the same set of operation. We do the same set of operation here. 2 is added as b is not, so we will do the same operation, and we will store max vowels where we got and return that. It's a very simple one. I'm starting it. So what is the solution here? So first um, I'm taking a result in which we are having 0, and running a loop, not as dot length, it should be less than k. And here result less equals to is vowel. What is e vowel? Here in is vowel, I will pass the particular character. So first let's complete is vowel. We already prepared this kind of uh, one. So what is here? Is vowel, it should not written. It should written int, right? So, um, but let's make it to written bool. And here what I'm checking is vowel of s of I, and then only we are adding result. That's it. So what is the function here? It will return true if C is vowel. So here it will only consist lower letter, so that's why I'm not adding. Uh, so that's why I'm not adding all the capital letters. We are just adding that what we can say small letters, lower letters. That's it. And after this function, like let's say we find the subarray of the first subarray vowels, and then we will move to next arrays. So here I will be started from k, I is less than s dot length, I plus plus, and from here onwards we will check two things. If s of I minus k is vowel, then result minus equals to 1. If not, if not, what we will do is we will try to uh, add it to result. If not, uh, it's not the condition. We need to check if is vowel of yes of I. If it is vowel, then we will add. So that's it. No major thing. So if it is vowel, then only we are removing. Otherwise, we are not removing it. And if it is vowel, then we are adding. Otherwise, we are not going to add. That's it. And return result at the end. Okay. So this is not the correct one. So the problem here is. Uh, so here is. So we need to take a particular variable that's called result at this position. Result here, or else I can say result, and I'm appending. Uh, so here we need to store our maximum result. So where we can store our maximum result. That is the problem here. So I want to take a parameter that is maximum result. So maximum result, here I'm going to store what is the maximum result. So at the end of the loop, so what I'm going to check here is result and maximum result, and I will do the same thing after each loop and return max result here. The naming convention, maybe it may be confusing, but here how it's needed to be. Uh, we are going to so return maximum result is actually throwing some error. Why? After for loop, so where we have the issue. Somewhere we are missing this one. I think it will work fine now. No, not yet. What is the issue here? Let's give it a try. Hmm, why returning result is getting error here? Okay, so here the problem is this for loop is actually closed somewhere. Yes, here is the issue. So this is just a simple closing bracket issue. Yes, it is very simple one. It's very similar to the previous one. Here we are checking the one that we are removing from the substring, and then the one that we are adding to the substring. That's where we are using this uh, moving window concept. So That's it for today. I will come back with the next problem tomorrow. Thanks, everyone.